So you're getting a website built, but you're not really sure how a domain name and web hosting and websites work. So what's kind of a brief rundown with this, okay? So essentially think about a domain name like your street address. Like maybe you live somewhere right now, okay? So that is the street address where you would get mail at or get a package, okay? So that's what your domain name is, what you're gonna call your website. Now, web hosting is where you actually upload pictures and your website. This is like the land of your address, okay? So you buy a piece of land, that land can be anything that you want it to be, okay? And you can do whatever you want. You need to own that piece of property. And then of course your website is whatever you build on top of that land. It could be WordPress, it could be WooCommerce, it could be Shopify. It could also be some proprietary software, and I'm not a big fan of that. Just because proprietary, big word, custom website with proprietary software, sometimes it turns into where only that developer can work on your website and they kind of trap you into their ecosystem. I'm not a big fan of that, okay? I want you to have a website that you say, hey, I want to move it from this web host to another web host. You should have that ability, okay? So there's a lot of companies out there, big software companies that will promote their web design, packages or solutions, and you're stuck with their system. So that's basically in a nutshell how a website works. So your domain name is, again, what you're calling your website. Your web hosting is kind of like the vacant lot that you're building your website on, and the website is your actual house or building on top of that. Great question. And if you have more, make sure you reach out to me at coloradowebimpressions.com or give me a call at 719-419-3935.